There's nothing left to say but goodbye. Will I be tired of what kind of life? I'm not sure I'm worthy of. Losing you is painful to me. Won't let you down, no, I don't want you back. I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You will never ask me why my heart is so distressed. I just can't live right anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to try. I don't wanna let you go, and I don't wanna lead you on.